Hey guys, welcome to the reading. So, we are going to look at a message from them that they never had the courage to send to you. We see what they're feeling right now, why this message has never reached you, what truth they wanted to say, will they reach out, timelines, things like this. So, let's see. The first energy is Five of Wands. This is, see, they are feeling conflicted. I won't say they're not feeling for you, they don't have emotions for you, but there is external influence possibly, but there is conflict here. This is where they would say, my heart and my mind, they are not on the same page. I've been fighting my emotions. I've tried so hard to ignore, even though things may look quiet on the outside, there's a lot happening inside me. There's this whole battlefield I'm standing at, that there are, so many different thoughts going on in my mind. I'm not at peace with this connection. I'm not at peace with my life. I'm still trying to make sense of everything I feel here. Now, why haven't I messaged King of Cups? Because I don't trust myself with my emotions yet. I feel so many things. I feel, I've kept so much bottled up. I keep on, uh, you know, uh, convincing myself that staying in control is, safer than risking vulnerability, and that keeping myself in that place of just keeping things safe uh, is why I've been holding back. The truth is, I care more than I've allowed you to see. You may feel that I don't care, but it's not like that. The the message wasn't missing because the feelings weren't there. It was missing because it didn't know how to, or they didn't know how to express it basically. We have some. See, the message would say that, you brought genuine happiness to my life. With you, I felt complete. You were like a reflection of happiness to me in my life. Um, you made ordinary moments feel so special, and I don't think I appreciated that enough while I had it. Thank you for being a light in my life. Even if I never said it out loud, but you brought immense amount of joy and happiness and warmth in my life. You meant so much more to me than I ever admitted. Hanged man. What's stopping them is fear of making the wrong move. I've been waiting for the perfect time. I've been trying to understand situations, perspectives, what you want, what I want, what other people want, possibly. The perfect words are a sign that everything will work out. In trying not to make a mistake, I've ended up not making a move at all. I'm not standing still because I don't care. I'm standing still because I'm too afraid. Will they actually reach out? Well, Ten of Pentacles, they will reach out. This is where they're saying, I do have the intentions in the right place. See, the Ten of Pentacles is not a card of emotional, temporary emotional thought process. This is a long term value card. So, this tells me they don't see you as unfinished business. They see you as somebody they want to build life with. They see you as someone worth rebuilding future with. And that's why communication has a strong potential here. So, yes, the desire to reconnect is genuine, and it's coming from a place of wanting something meaningful. Okay, so, if you reach out, by when we have the Empress energy. So, Empress goes naturally. So, I don't feel this is immediate. The strongest timeline I'm picking is 2 to 3 weeks. For some of you, 2 to 3 months. I know it is a long timeline, but this would really depend on the um, you know the whole trajectory of your connection. So let's say um, you have been, see, it's like, if you have cold cough, there is the recovery will be in a certain number of days, but if you're going through a surgery, the recovery time will be longer. So you would know the situation of your connection. So based on that, take the timeline here. See, this feels like the time needed for emotional growth and confidence before they make their move. Now, what guidance is the universe wanting to give you is Seven of Swords. See, the universe wants you to stop chasing answers that aren't ready to reveal yet. See, you are just hurting yourself. You are swallowing things that you're not meant to swallow here. The hurt, the pain. If you're going to swallow the sword, it is only going to hurt you, nobody else. So, this is telling you not every silence is yours to solve, and not every mystery is yours to carry. Protect your peace and carefully, you know, uh, build hope in your life. See, sometimes the message you never received wasn't rejection, it was a conversation someone wasn't emotionally ready to have with you. While they were searching for the right words, don't forget to, keep writing a beautiful story for yourself. See, the greatest love story you will ever protect is the one that you build with your own life. So don't let somebody else's avoidance or, um, you know, not matching up to your standards become your standard. Your standards should be high. Let the other person meet them. What's the point of living a life if your standards right? I hope this gave you some clarity. Thank you for watching.